101.1 Smartfm, the Spirit Indonesia, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, giving applause again for us. Oh, thank you so much. Anyway, we continue our discussion.
I'm
Okay.
excited.
Are you still remember what did you say?
Of course.
Okay, come on. Okay, continue, please.
Okay, yeah. Still talking about hangout. Yeah. Actually, I have to say that I'm the person that do not like that much about hangout, especially if I have a lot of business to do. But talking about hangout, I really like to go out with my friends, with my family, and etc. And then the place that I love the most to be to visit, the place that is associated with natural environment, like Malino.
Yeah.
Something
you
that is
still
associated with
remember, right?
adventure. Yeah, I really love that place the most.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's all.
I still want to.
Yeah, sure.
Persuade you
I'm
to
looking
go there.
forward to it.
Okay. Anyway, okay, I'm going to you for the third question. What is or what are beneficial of hangout?
Okay. Many beneficial, I mean.
Yes.
The first is hangout can, especially me, can make me relax when I visit the place like a beach or nature, like Malino.
But
like
you are always mention Malino.
Or how to say sawah, like sawah.
Rice field.
Rice field.
Yes.
Also, and then when we start with our busy business, we can go out to hang out.
And release
meet with our friend.
in the field, rice field.
No.
No, kidding. Yeah, I see.
In the beach.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, so I mean, like all of it is about how can we recharge our body, but not recharge, right? Yes. Okay. I'm going to move to you. What is or are beneficials of hangout?
Oh, of course, there are a lot of beneficial things if we talking about hangout. But to me, in my perspective, the benefit sides of hangout itself that I felt.
Yes.
First of all, it will relieve our stress, and then second of all, of course, if you are an adventurer, like if you always hike in the mountain, you will also expand your friendship. Can get a lot of new friends.
Anyway, I like your
etc.
style. I'm gonna follow your style next.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
It's like Dylan jacket.
Dylan, continue, please.
Okay, and then probably the last thing about the benefit side of the traveling itself, probably I can say it will enrich our insight, especially talking about certain place. So we can learn about their culture, we can learn about their behavior, their traditional stuff, and etc. And then later on, it's very beneficial if you deal with something that is associated with social relation. So you can adjust your behavior to someone that is new. So you can learn a lot of things talking about hangout. So it's not only about to fulfill your happiness, but there are a lot of things.
Diplomatic.
Of
Okay,
course.
Jenna. Okay, yeah. What is beneficial? What is or are beneficials?
I think the important thing for me is like it's helped me for like keep my mental health to like hang out with my friends.
Yeah.
And like they always give me like a good energy, like
Yeah.
with maybe we also talk about our maybe our something happened in our in our campus, and we talk about a lot of things, like we keep our opinion about this one and this one, and also we make another opinion for that, we sharing each other. I mean, it's also give us a lot of energy, like they give me also the good energy and makes me feel better. But I think also if I just like stay at home not doing anything, so it makes me also feel overthinking about something. So that's why it's really important for me to like go hang out with my friends also, like for keeping my mental health also, because I'm so happy like when I go outside with my friends, maybe just like maybe just stay at home, like their boarding house. It's also fun. Like maybe we make, or maybe we cooking something.
And also,
some kind of like that.
the most important is maybe you can enjoy life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
He's singing. Maybe you can enjoy life. Okay, synthetic. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna move to you. What is or are beneficials of Hangout?
Actually, many they're beneficial, but I just can mention some. The first is about, especially to myself, I feel happy, of course, and also I can forget my problems if I hang out, of course, and also maybe when I hang out, we will make some fun experience, and we will remember when we have apart, and then the last, maybe people sometimes
I didn't know.
Oh, you don't know, but you will know if I say.
Okay.
People sometimes say, "Oh, ya Allah, the girl is really beautiful, the man is really handsome," but they don't realize that the view also beautiful. Yeah, so I mean that the sentence is good to say to the view that the creed of Allah is not only about girls, the beautiful girls, the handsome man, but also the view, the beautiful view. It's also Allah's creed.
Okay.
Yes.
It's genuine. Okay. I mean, so of course, totally, Hangout is very, very useful for us because we can recharge ourselves, and of course we get release stress and etc. And everything is like it's newborn, something like this, something like that, right? Okay. Anyway, for the next question, maybe. Okay. Here for the next question. Okay. How do you think about the people who never did?
What?
The people who never did hang out.
Oh.
Yeah, how do you think about it?
First thing first, we should realize that everyone has their own view, has their own behavior, yeah? So everyone is different. So we cannot judge that, oh, this person is like, probably this, sometimes I heard that this person there's something wrong with this person because he or she never hang out or with their friends and etc. And then to me, I really respect whatever their decisions, whatever their choice. So I never judge people whether or not she or he never go out or never like make socialization with others and etc. But to me, if I because I should acknowledge myself is also the one or someone that is
seldom.
We can say seldom or lazy to hang out, especially if we have a lot of business to do. I do love traveling. I do love hang out, but the moment when we have a lot of business to do, oh my God, so it's going to be stressful. Yeah, but to me, we can still to approach. For example, if we have a friend and then we look that our friends, it seems like she or he is we can say introvert. I had experience when I was senior at school. I got one friend, and then
in my school.
Sure. He is very introvert. But
Okay.
when we approached him, and then having like a conversation and etc. Yeah, we can hang out together. So in my perspective, in my opinion, it's only talking about how we approach that person, about the communication, about understand them, because we didn't know that what's happening with him or her. Probably they got something to do besides their job or etc. So yeah, I think that's all my opinion.
And you will approach him or her.
Yeah, we should still like at very least talk to them, like offering them like, do you want to come with us? We got some party to do in Bira, for example, etc. So if she or he like refused or not, yeah, that's okay. So the point is just keep communicating with them.
Oh, wise.
Yeah.
Thank you, Navi.
Sure.
Okay, move to you. Okay, how do you think about the people who never did hang out?
I think it's decision.
Keep your statement. Will be right after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on 101.1 Smartfm and the Spirit of Indonesia.